Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Vaishnavi. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing good too. It's been a hot minute since I did a sit down video. I know, like, I was doing a week's vlog a lot and I was enjoying that, but today we are going to do something really fun and I'm all excited about it. So, let's get into it. Okay, so आज का topic is very different and this is a full on fashion thing I'm doing. So if you are keeping up with my Instagram, you will know that I did a photo shoot, full on photo shoot for a brand that's called the Doobie Life. It is just starting up and they have their first line as this t-shirt, sweatshirt, caps and all these things, and they approached me on Instagram and then we decided to collab for it. And being honest, the collab was like some months ago and I shot for it and then everything happened, but the photos are not there on their profile, on Instagram profile. They'll be on soon, but they did give me the green light to post about it, so I did. So a few weeks ago I posted on my Instagram a few pictures and many of you liked it, and honestly it was my first ever photo shoot and I loved it so much. Like, it was so much fun. I had never done this photo shoot thing and I just wanted to make a video about. So first things first, what is exactly streetwear fashion? So streetwear is basically anything that is with baggy pants, very comfortable, with plain t-shirts, with purses, jackets, and all the cool stuff which you see on the streets but are really comfortable. And also a main part of the streetwear which I learned was the chunky sneaker thing. Like, in every Pinterest post I saw was the chunky sneaker, and I never actually bought any chunky sneakers. I never had any. So what I did was I actually got them from Flipkart, which was very cheap. Like, this brand is actually trying to fusion between our old Indian history culture like Mughal and everything with today's culture like the streetwear fashion. So they have mixed up both and they have come up with this clothing line where they have very basic t-shirts but they have this little graphics on them and which look really cute. And these t-shirts, sweatshirts go on everything and anything. Being the smart person I am, I didn't vlog the whole photo shoot day because I was very stupid. Actually, I took 2 days for the photo shoot. Obviously, I didn't take a cameraman with me and I'm not that professional, obviously. So I had my best friend, which you saw in the previous video, Mitisha. We did the photo shoot. She took my pictures, we were posing, and it was so much fun. And I will get into it, like what did I exactly do. Okay, so the first part, very important part of the photo shoot was the t-shirt. So this is the t-shirt. Can you see? It is a very light beige color. Actually, it is brownish. I don't know if you can see. It looks white in this video, but it is actually very brown. You can see in the pictures here, and there is a small Rakshas thing. It's very basic. The Rakshas, if you know from Indian mythology, it is, which means a monster. So this t-shirt actually goes with jeans, with skirt. So what did I do was I sent them pictures styling this shirt. I did with a skirt, I did with a baggy pant, I did with a loose fit pant, I did with skinny fit jeans, and they saw the photos and they told me to select the one with the loose type of pant. So this is the pant. I bought this pant from Max like 2 years ago. It is a very plain black pant. It is very loose. It is still my ankle, and it actually goes well with this shirt. I was actually going to pair this shirt with my mom's jeans, which was blue and very loose to me, so it looks good. But it was very loose on me, so they told me not to pair with it. So I paired it with this black pant. It is not a jeans, chunky sneakers. These are the sneakers I got from Flipkart. They are very cheap and they are not actually of any brand. They are just normal sneakers, and as you can see I've used them very much. And these are actually very comfy, which I got them for 4.99 or something. And yeah, if you can also buy these in the normal market anywhere. Okay, for the jewelry, accessories, the streetwear style doesn't really put any effort on the accessories. So I obviously had my scrunchie. This scrunchie was on my hand, and my hairs were open, and I got these cute earrings very cute, very trendy, which goes on with these aesthetic, which look very stylish too. I did see many photos where the girls and the ladies were using bags, small bags, not the long sling bags, but small bags to go with this aesthetic. So I had a bag at home. I got it from the shop in Thane, and the bag is actually very useful. Me and my mom really use it, and it did go perfectly with the style I was going for. It is very small, like it is just this bag. Now for the makeup, I did a full face makeup, very natural makeup for this photo shoot. I didn't do it, my mom actually did it. Here is the short clip of the makeup. I have posted an IGTV on my Instagram, so you can check that too. So the day of the photo shoot, so I was told to pick a location which had a very solid color background. So they didn't mention what color or anything, where they just needed a very plain background. So for that I went to my friend's place where they had the yellow wall. So I took the pictures there, and then we did some in my car too, where I actually saw that car picture on Forever 21's website, which was really trending, and I thought I could maybe do it. So we actually did it for we did it in like 15 minutes. It didn't take much time. But the other photo shoot where the solid wall was there, so that took 30 minutes, I guess. Yeah, and the photo shoot was 2 days because I didn't have the car on the first day. So it took 2 days. First day पे मेरी mom ने makeup करके दिया, and second day I did my own makeup. Same way, which was very easy, and I just did a very like a dark lipstick on the second day. And on the first day it was a very light pinkish lipstick. So now if you are thinking कि मैं कहाँ से ये t-shirt buy करूँ, then you can actually buy this t-shirt on the Doobie website, which I will put the link in the description below, and you can also use my coupon code, which is BEST10, to get the 10% discount on your all orders. And you can buy sweatshirts, you can buy t-shirt, you can buy waist bags, you can buy caps, also Indian, so don't worry about it. Okay. So now I think I will show you some of the street fair outfits that were not in the photo shoot, but I actually like them. So here they are. Like this type of video where I talk about fashion and photo shoots, then please let me know, and please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you are going to buy this t-shirt, and if you did, then use my coupon code. Don't forget about that. All the links are in the description, so please check out that, and follow me on Instagram for many of the content I make, which are really fun. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.